Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for all you audiophiles and music lovers out there. We're checking out the KZEDXPROXIEM earphones. If you're looking for dynamic sound and deep bass, stick around because we have a lot to cover. First up, let's unbox these beauties. The KZ EDX comes in sleek packaging that's both stylish and functional. Inside, you'll find the earphones, a detachable cable, and a selection of ear tips to ensure a perfect fit. It's always nice to see brands catering to comfort and customization. Now, let's talk design. The KZ EDX features a modern, ergonomic shape that sits comfortably in the ear. The build quality feels solid. These are definitely built to last. The detachable cable is a fantastic feature, making it easy to replace if it ever gets damaged. Plus, it gives you some flexibility for upgrades. Okay, let's get to the good stuff, the sound quality. The dynamic driver in these earphones delivers a rich hi-fi experience with impressive deep bass. Whether you're into hip-hop, rock, or classical music, the clarity and depth in the sound are truly remarkable. I've been testing these with various genres, and I'm really impressed. The noise-canceling feature works well, allowing you to immerse yourself in your music without distractions. Comfort is key, especially for longer listening sessions. The KZ EDX comes with multiple ear tip options, so you can find the perfect fit for your ears. I've been wearing these for hours, and they feel great, no discomfort whatsoever. These earphones are versatile. Whether you're hitting the gym, commuting, or just chilling at home, the KZ EDX delivers. Their sporty design makes them a perfect choice for an active lifestyle. So, what's the verdict? If you're looking for a pair of earphones that offer excellent sound quality, deep bass, and comfort all at an affordable price though, KZ EDX is definitely worth considering. They've got a lot to offer for both casual listeners and serious audiophiles alike. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and music gear insights. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the KZ EDX or what your favorite earphones are. Until next time, keep listening to great music.